Student, I am showing you one program on C++ which will be a simple program. In this program, I will just add three number and will find out the sum of those three number as well as the total of average of those three number. So at first, as we know that we have to write the basic things which is very much mandatory in C++, that is include within angle bracket we have to keep iostream.h. So which later on I will explain why we are writing. So for the timing you just take it like this is a syntax or this is an formula which we have to write, which is mandatory for C++ program. So those three line is has include iostream.h and has include conio.h. Okay students, so thereafter student we have to make void main, that is the main function. In main function what we need to do now, this shows the starting point of the program. Okay, this is the entry of the program, you say. For the timing this much you remember students. Later on I'm going to explain this. Don't worry about all this, only concentrate starting from CLRSCR. CLRSCR student I am using to clear the screen, computer screen, output screen. Now here I am taking three variable. As I told you that I will find out the sum of these three variable. So thereafter I am taking a variable as t, that is for total, and one more variable I am taking as AV, that is for average. Fine students. Now I am assigning value to A, that is suppose 87. Then I am assigning values to B, that is suppose 45. I can assign any value students. So C now I am assigning with 89. Now I will find out the sum of those number. So writing T equal to A plus B plus C. Every line in C++ should end with a semicolon sign, as the rule already I gave you before. Now we are writing here for average, that is AV equal to total divided by total number of subject, that is 3. Okay students, this is done our processing part. Then we want to go for the output. As in flowchart we used to write display word. So here we have to write Cout and 2 less than symbol, and we can write here T. T for what students? Now total, as we took the variable before. Okay, thereafter one more Cout. What? Because of now average also supposed to get print. So for average I took 2 less than sign as well as Cout, and here the variable name I can write AV semicolon. After that students, to see the result, to hold the result screen on screen, we have to write getch. So simply you can say getch is required to show the result. This is your entire program. Now you just press on the run button. If there is no error in your program, then it will compile simply and it will show you the result. Here student, you saw that there is no gap between the total and between the average, in between total and average. So what we can do for this, we can go to the total. I am showing you here, you please see nicely. Thereafter you can try in your mobile as well. Okay, so now removing this and putting 2 less than symbol, and putting a double quote, so that there will be gap in between the total and average. I just put a gap students. So putting run now, you check how the answer is coming. It is coming 321 or 221 couldn't be seen properly, but gap there is 73. So it means what happens students, now it provide a gap in between. So this is how the program can be done in C++.